meron pa pala dito. Meron pa pala dito sa gilid. Hi guys, it's me, Madam Pango again. We're going to do an unboxing today. I ordered this few weeks ago and I've received this few days ago, but I don't have time to unbox it, and now I'm gonna do an unboxing. It's a different one. This is for the birds. It's a bird's feeder. You can see it's like this. Oh, meron pa pala dito. Meron pa pala dito sa gilid. It's this one. Ito, may dalawang tubo. Peanut is one, dalawang matapang doon. Pangatlong tubo. Ito yung ano. Ito siya. Like a mystery box. There's a lot inside. No more inside. So inside the box we've got these three balls. This one is small end, and then it will go inside. This one as well, so it's gonna be three of this for the pole, and this one will go on the top of the pole. And I think this one, what's this? I don't know what's this. These are the instructions, and kapag nabuo na, it's gonna be looks like this. This one is for this is for the food, yung mga seeds dito, and then this one is for the water for their drinks. So ayan, ibalik lang natin muna kasi bukas namin ilalagay yung asawa ko ang mag-aano doon sa likod. So ayan, ito pala ay para something on top. Here. So it's like this top. Install natin. Kaya ko naman mag-install. Madali lang naman siya. So install na natin. Pero bukas na, kasi gabi ngayon. So bukas ko na, yung asawa ko maglalagay doon sa garden. Yan. So ito yung pole. Yung maliit, ipapasok dito sa malaki. And then mataas to. Alin ito. Ayan, mataas pala siya. Mahaba pala siya. Anong height nito? Approximately 190 centimeters. We're going to put the top Oh, it needs to be loosen this one, and then push it down, and then tighten it. There you go. So that the end of the top end will be like this. It's gonna be like this. It's too high. And ibaba muna natin ito. Sandal muna natin ito. Tapos, mayroon tayong ito. Buksan natin. Ito siya. Tanggalin natin ang label. So, ganyan yan. Tapos, ilalagay ito dito. Ayan. So, nakalak na siya para. Tapos, pag maglalagay ng corn sa loob, dito ilalagay. Or pwede siyang bubuksan. So, yan. Para hindi pasukin ng ulan, pwede siyang i-close. Yan. Tapos, ito ang ihahang. Ito ay ihahang dito. Dito. So, nakaganyan na yan. So, yan. From the bottom to the top. There you go. So, that's. Yan ang itsura. Yan ang itsura ng bird's feeder. Bugas namin to ilalagay doon sa garden. So, ilalagay mo na. So, dyan mo na siya hanggang bukas. Tapos, meron pang isa dito. Ito. Kali ito yung open with care, a granular material enclosed. Ito yung seeds. Buksan natin. Open with care daw. Ngayon, ilalagay natin yung seeds sa loob nito. Testing natin ito bukas para yan. Baliktad yung pagkakalagay ko yata. Tumalabas yung seeds. Ito, kasi sample lang to kung gagana talaga ito. Di marami kasing mga ibon sa sa garden namin. Nakakatuwa silang tingnan. Sana hindi sila habulin ng mga aso. So ganito ang magiging itsura nito. Ibibitin natin to bukas. So yung mga ibon dito yan sa palibot, tas kakain. Tas meron namang water doon, yung white. Ayan, yung ating unboxing for today. If you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe and thank you so much. Bye for now.